So some of us believe IIIT Hyderabad is a funny family. You know, the family that keeps growing. Nobody leaves the family, but more people will keep joining. And also these people will have their other members, like the members that you have seen in these pictures, keep adding to that bigger family. So very happy to have a very large family today. And now I request the future alumni, the current UG3 student, Shivani Poddar, to come and share her thoughts.
Distinguished guests, respected faculty, and my dear friends, it is a matter of great pleasure and privilege for me today to speak here on the occasion of our 16th Foundation Day. Listening to all these speeches was very heartening. Listening to Shri R. Chandrasekhar Sir's speech, I realized that the vision that all the founders have indeed resonate with the experience we are today having in the campus. Today I'm here to narrate to you a story which I believe will paint today's canvas with the student's perspective of our institution. This is a story of a young but earnest Zen student. He once approached his master and asked him, "If I work hard, how long will it take for me to find Zen?" The master thought about it for a while and said, 10 years. The student then said, "What if I really work hard? How long then?" The master smiled and said, 20 years. "But I don't understand," said the disappointed student. "The harder I work, the longer you say it will take for me to find Zen." The master, moved by the student's frustration, thus replied, "On your journey to realize your ultimate goals and your ambitions, you digress. You focus your energies on irrelevant things. You get moved by your peers' success. Thus, the journey becomes arduous and painfully long." This, my dear friends, was pretty much us. Whether the goal was acing an exam or doing well in a course, we a lot of times surpass the learning that needs to be undertaken to achieve that goal for us. This is one of the most elementary things that IIIT as an institute made me think about. I read somewhere that the goal of education is also to develop a broad and humanistic outlook among students. The efforts our institute makes by promoting a culture of wide expanse of extracurricular activities is something all of our students deeply cherish. The breadth of thought and the freedom of expression which is practiced and encouraged here is something which is very instrumental in shaping each and every one of us. Friends, Foundation Day is an event for two things: introspection of the past and planning for the future. I tried my best to cover the former. Let me speak something about the later. Each one of us who has come here has his or her own Zen. The obligation of the Institute is thus to take a path which makes the Institute's Zen encompass the Zen of all its members. While we are already amongst those pioneering institutes which acknowledge this fact, it would be indeed an outstanding feat to achieve this in reality. It is tough, I know, but let us not forget that 20 years down the line, we will be more disappointed by the things that we did not do than the ones we did. Let us move away from the safe shore like we always have. Let us dream, explore, and discover. Thank you.